Amanda. I'd like to do a review on the session I just attended. It was great. I was able to make a tiny little magic lamp that was so much fun, and I was able to just walk away reminded of the impact that a classroom activity can have on a child, and to just encourage the Christophers.
Hello, I enjoyed your section. My name is Demetrius Oliver from Montgomery Public School System, and I really enjoyed your section. You really taught me how to follow directions for one, and also implement what I learned in STEMs. And doing the assignment of building a lamp was so exciting, and I hope that we can implement it in our STEM program, but also as a resource to when we going into the schools to do like a open session activity before class starts. Thank you.
As a middle school principal, I find this to be an excellent way to keep our kids engaged, especially with STEM, with something being new to our school, and we're looking forward to working with Mr. McQueen in the future. Thank you.
I'm from the Connecticut County Workforce Development Center, and I thought Dr. McQueen did an excellent job, had us engaged, following directions, and it also helped teachers to understand sometimes the frustration level that students come across, because some of the teachers, the very first thing they said was, I don't like this, I don't want to do this, I can't do this. And I was taught at a very young age, one of my teachers said, don't say I can't. You're an American, and American ends in I can. And he made us feel like that we could do it, and we did it. I truly enjoyed it.
Enjoyed Mr. McQueen's production of his STEM lessons. We learned quite a bit on how to integrate science, engineering, and technology into our 21st century classroom. It was absolutely amazing, and what I like most about it is project-based learning. The students will stay engaged for the entire classroom time. So thank you so much, and we look forward to implementing this stuff into our classrooms at Montgomery Public Schools. Thank you very much.
AcaSTEMics is a wonderful program that I think that all schools should incorporate into the learning of their children. I also learned with building this kit, first of all, you have to follow directions. If not, it's not going to work, and it's a good thing because a lot of them didn't follow directions, but I really enjoyed the program, and I really thank you for the people.
Dr. Tandria Elmore from Montgomery Public Schools. I'm one of the career coaches. Let me first start by saying this is the best session that I've attended during the summer conference this year. The activity of building the lamp was fun, engaging, and the thing that I took away is safety first, follow directions. This is awesome, and this kit should be in every middle school student's hands. Thank you.
It was fun, engaging, and it inspires kids to even learn core subjects. I loved it. I can see us taking it to a whole nother level. I'm excited about where I'm gonna go back and tell my people at Connecticut County Workforce Development Center. Great job, love, 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 and he was awesome.